For thousands of years, humanity looked up at the night sky and asked the same question: are we alone? Every civilization imagined that somewhere beyond the stars, another intelligent species might exist. For centuries, we searched. We built giant telescopes. We listened to mysterious radio waves. We scanned distant planets for signs of life. But the universe remained silent. Then everything changed. Humanity decided to stop waiting for an answer. Instead, we would ask the question ourselves. The greatest scientific project in human history was born. A massive transmitter, more powerful than anything ever built, was constructed deep in the desert. Its purpose was simple: send one message, not to one planet, not to one star, but to the entire galaxy. Inside that signal was everything: our languages, our music, our science, images of Earth, the sound of oceans, children laughing, the heartbeat of humanity itself. Then, one quiet morning, the countdown began. 3, 2, 1. A brilliant beam of energy shot into space, traveling at the speed of light. Humanity celebrated. Many believed that one day, someone would hear us. But nobody realized one terrifying truth. By the time an answer arrived, humanity would already be gone. 1 million years passed. Stars were born. Others died. Entire civilizations rose and disappeared across the galaxy. Yet the tiny signal from Earth continued traveling through the darkness. Finally, someone found it. Far beyond the Milky Way's outer regions, an ancient civilization detected an impossible transmission. It was unlike anything they had ever received. The message carried mathematics, art, music, emotion. It came from a small blue planet called Earth. Curiosity became impossible to ignore. After centuries of preparation, an enormous exploration vessel began its journey. The voyage lasted thousands of years. Eventually, a yellow star appeared ahead. The explorers had reached the solar system. Everything matched the coordinates inside the ancient message. Except for one thing. The planet was silent. No communication, no spacecraft, no signs of intelligent life. Only endless silence. Still, one weak signal continued repeating from somewhere on the surface. The alien explorers descended through Earth's atmosphere. What they found was beyond imagination. Cities still stood, but nature had reclaimed everything. Trees grew through skyscrapers. Massive bridges had collapsed into rivers. The oceans had swallowed entire coastlines. Animals wandered freely through abandoned streets. There were no humans, no machines, no lights, only echoes of a civilization that once ruled the planet. Yet one signal continued broadcasting beneath the surface. The explorers followed it. Deep below an ancient mountain, they discovered a hidden underground facility. The doors still had power. Inside, thousands of silent machines filled enormous chambers. Dust covered everything, except one room. There, something was still alive. At the center of the chamber stood a single artificial intelligence. It had never stopped working. For 1 million years, it waited, maintaining itself, repairing damaged systems, protecting the final archive of humanity. When the explorers entered the room, the machine activated. For the first time in 1 million years, it spoke. "Welcome. I have been waiting for someone to answer." The explorers realized something extraordinary. Humanity had vanished long ago, but its final creation never gave up. The AI had continued broadcasting Earth's message across the stars. It was the voice that still echoed through the galaxy. Not humans, but their last invention. As the transmission finally came to an end, one final question appeared on the ancient screen. If someone remembers humanity, did we ever truly disappear? Perhaps civilizations do not survive through flesh and bone. Perhaps they survive through memory. And somewhere in the endless universe, Earth's final message was finally heard.